So I want to build an indicator that is essentially top-down analysis for delta, but you can visually see the candle deltas on multiple time frames. If my chart is on the 5-minute time frame, I want to see the delta values under the candles on the chart, but to the right of price, I also want to see the delta values of 3 different other time frames. So essentially I want to see the delta for the chart that I'm on, and then to the right of price, I want to see higher time frame candles with the delta as well. Let's see what this builds. All right, so just like that, it built it out. We have our code here, top-down delta analysis. I'm just going to copy that, go over to TradingView, and then Pine Editor, and I'm going to create new indicator, and I'm going to paste that in and add it to my chart. Okay, so we currently have our delta values underneath each candle, exactly what I wanted. And then to the right, we actually have a dashboard here that floats in the middle of the screen, which is nice. So I can see the 15-minute, 60-minute, and then the 4-hour, and it does let me change that as well. Now this is awesome. It's a good start of what I wanted. I can see the 15-minute has a bullish delta right now, while the 60-minute is still in a bearish delta. But I want to see those candles on my chart, so I'm going to go back to quant. All right, so I said this is a good start. Now instead of a dashboard, I want the higher time frame candles to appear on my chart like PO3 indicator, so I can see how the candles are forming in real time. So quant's going to build this out. You can already see remove the dashboard table. I'm just waiting for the new code. All right, so we just got our code back. It changed the name a little bit, HTF Delta PO3. Okay, so it's understanding it. We want the PO3. So we copy the code here. Let's bring that over and see and add it to our chart. Dude, yes! This is exactly what we wanted. Okay, so the 15-minute here, you can see this is the 15-minute candle. That'd be the 60-minute candle, 240. We can change that to show 4 hours. But we can see how each candle is forming in real time with the delta. What's actually interesting is I want to know how much time is left in these candles. So that's the next thing we're actually going to add. So I'm going to go back to quant. So all I said was I would like to add a countdown on each higher time frame candle, so I know how much time is left in that candle. So I'm going to send that, and we'll wait for the code to update again. All right, so we have the updated code again. I'm just going to copy it, go back over to TradingView, paste it in here, refresh. Perfect. Okay, so you can see the countdown. We have 1 hour and 9 minutes on the 4-hour. We have 9 minutes left on the 1 hour, 40 seconds left on the 1 minute. That's exactly what I want, because now I know if we're in the back half of a 4-hour or we're in the front half of a 4-hour, I can see how much it's accumulated. If you want to build an indicator just like this with your very own idea or the exact same idea I had, comment the word quant and I'll send you the link.